We're headed to one of my favorite chill spots out on the Greenway. So let's go before the temperature gets up to 101 degrees today. Alright, first stop. Hi. This is one of the places I really like to visit. So let's try to get across this thing, shall we? That water's nice and cold. This is just what I like. Water is extremely relaxing. It's calming. I used to kayak through here a couple seasons ago. I mean, I don't have the beautiful mountains and stuff like that. Everybody thinks Tennessee has a lot of mountains. It really doesn't. We have hills, and they're not really even that impressive until you get to the outside edges of the state. I don't think I've kayaked down this far because there's obstructions up farther. Beautiful. I don't know why I used the rocks to walk across this, because it's literally like 2 inches. I know GoPros are waterproof, but I'm too chicken to get it wet. You've never seen the underside of a tree, there you go. All the little fishies in here, little minnows. Excuse me, minnows. I'm not trying to step on you, but if you're not fast enough, it may happen. Let us get where we are going. I don't know if I'm gonna need my goggles, so we're gonna put those up so we can get some air to my lovely face. I just rode like 2 days ago, and my legs are like, what is this new thing we're doing? They're a little wore out just going up that little incline we had. And oh yeah, these new pedals are amazing. They feel really good. Well, compared to stock. Yeah, these pedals are just a lot smoother. I feel like I don't have to put as much effort to get them going. They're also a little bigger too. We're not out here racing, we're just enjoying the ride. And oh, I have a certain 5.5-year-old that's gonna be mad that I came down here without him. This is like his spot. All right, let's see if we can get down here. this close to the waterfall. And the water is that low, but this makes for a good video. Well, I guess it's time, since get the water off the camera. I guess it's time to learn how to do this in front of people. I kind of feel like a circus freak out here shooting and everybody watching. So I guess I just need to get over that. I guess it's because I'm very shy. This is just beautiful up here. What do y'all think? It's like the best place I know of around, well, in Murfreesboro. It's the best place I know of. The water is just a great big stress relief for me. And after the last show, I need, well, I play in a band. And the show playing was fun, but everything else wrapped around it was just stressful. So I needed this. You know what, for the first time, I'm gonna try to get over there. See if I can do it. First time holding a GoPro. I don't know how slick it is under here. There's a way to get on that dam from way over there. Oh, this water is pretty cold. And it feels good. I guess if I fall, I'll know if GoPros are actually waterproof or not. I'm too chicken to actually just dunk it. Although I'm tempted every time I get around water. All right, moving to this big rock here. First time for everything, let's go. So, like this, rocks do not make good pillows. Okay, the rock as a pillow is not a good idea. No depression since I started riding at all, not a bit. None. My mood is better. I will say that my wants and my needs have dramatically changed. Since I've started riding, I decided to temporarily switch my diet. So I'm on, I'm not a vegetarian, I'm not a vegan, but I have cut out, you know, meat. Just to try to clean my system up a little bit from all the junk food I was consuming and everything else. I've cut all that junk out and I feel better. The weight's still dropping off. 238 now. And I already feel amazing. So I'm down 12 pounds. Hey, this is just beautiful here. Hopefully I can keep inspiring people to get out and go on their own adventures.
Flags in your camera.
Hey, you're okay.
That's cool.
As long as I have your permission to put that in the video, because that would be funny.
Go for it.
All right. What's your name?
Kayla.
Kayla?
Yeah. Kylie.
Haley? That was funny. I can't believe I'm trying to one-hand this. Not happening. That's funny. I can't even believe that happened just now. That's awesome. There we go. That unexpected stuff happening out on our adventures. Make sure you guys like the video. It really helps the channel out. And if you feel like giving me a little advice as what you'd like to see, comment it down below. We're gonna go ahead and end this. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.